All right, guys, welcome to the channel. This is a good one. I got to shoot at a castle here in San Antonio, Texas, to take some promo shots for a friend of mine who's having an upcoming event at this location. So used a combination of lenses for this. We did use some natural light and off-camera flash, a combination of both. I used the 50mm 1.2 G Master with my Sony a7R5 to get some of the beauty shots. The makeup was just outstanding. So I used that lens for those shots. And then for the sort of the outdoor castle shots, the client definitely wanted all of the castle in a lot of the shots. So I brought my 24mm 24-70 Sigma 2.8 for those shots. Combination of off-camera flash and natural light. We'll show you the behind the scenes and how I got these shots. Let's go.
It's a little windy. There's some gusts. I do have a softbox. I don't need the softest light in the history of off-camera flash. I'm going to go with the Magnum. It's a little bit smaller. The big softboxes tend to blow away. I don't have my assistant called in dead today, so no assistant to hold the light today. So I'll probably use one of these. It makes it a little heavier, but you know what? It's better than it, coming down. So I'm just going to take some test shots right now. I really don't want to take bokeh shots, right? Because I want to see some details on this castle behind me, right? So I'm going to shoot probably at f9. I'm looking at my meter and it's right at 0, and I'm at 1/200, so I could go to 1/250. I'm trying to conserve power on my lights so I don't have to go into high-speed sync. So at 24mm at about f10, we've got a proper exposure for the sky, and the building is a little bit underexposed, but it doesn't blow out the sky now. The decision is, I'm going to use a flash and it's going to light her, and is the background going to be too dark? So I may want to bring that f10 down a little bit, and it's a balancing game between, do I want the sky and the building? I may keep it at like f9. So we'll capture some movement.
Oh, and definitely my shoes. These are legit Cinderella shoes. From Jimmy Choo, from the actual movie.
Oh, really?
Yes, from the actual
So we have like celebrity shoes.
So here I have Jackleen in the shade, but we have this really soft indirect light coming in here through the arch to her right. So I'm having her point in that direction, and the light is very beautiful, and it would look really good with some beauty shots here that I'm taking right now. Notice that I'm at f3.5. Why not shoot at f1.2? You got the G Master. Well, I wanted some of the details in that headpiece and the makeup. I wanted to make sure they came out really sharp and clean, and so that's why I'm shooting at 3.5 there.
Towards the street a little bit. Yep, cool. I like the feet, what you're doing, it's good. Oh, Jackleen, that's beautiful. And y'all come closer together, and you turn your body more towards her, other way, towards her. Yep, just like this. Good. I want to do some sideways. I feel like if you come behind Jackleen a little bit more, so it looks like you're even closer, and then lean in over her shoulder, just like that. Yep. Perfect. And then both of you eyes to the camera. And then Alejandro, look up this way towards her. Actually, right like you're looking at her cheek, just like that. Yep. Perfect. And then come in closer. Even close, just like that, yep. See, that's kind of what we're getting.
Yeah. Those are the kind of shots that are, those are nice.
So sun's up there, so this makes sense. A little bright now. Yeah, the only thing I don't like is this line of sun hitting right here. There's like a line of shadow. I don't know can you get maybe up to the first step here?
I definitely want more of the castle itself, so more of like getting the peak of the castle.
Gotcha. That's what I need to know. Let's come even a little bit closer to me. and I think it's going to work. The wind is blowing in the perfect direction. Of course, we're not getting the dress now, so turn this way some more so we get more your face more into the light. There you go. Beautiful. Yes, love what you're doing. Beautiful.
All right, guys, that's it for today. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts about this shoot, and as always, have a good one.